DJI wireless microphone transmitter has a built-in omnidirectional microphone to send high-quality audio signal to DJI Pocket 2 wirelessly, freeing users from additional wiring. Before using DJI wireless microphone transmitter, please connect it with the Do-It-All handle first. Power on DJI Pocket 2. Swipe down on the touchscreen, swipe left to find the wireless microphone icon, and tap to enable linking with the Do-It-All handle. Push the power button of the wireless microphone to power on. Press the linking button and wait for it to link with the Do-It-All handle. If a wireless microphone icon appears on the touchscreen, it means linking is successful. Now the audio signal can be transmitted to Pocket 2 wirelessly with the wireless microphone. You can also press the linking button to take photos or video with Pocket 2. The wireless microphone transmitter can be fixed on your collar with a clamp on the back. You can also use the 3.5mm port on the top of the transmitter to connect with a wired microphone. If you use the transmitter in windy environment, DJI wireless microphone windscreen is recommended to cover the microphone and eliminate noise generated by wind. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.